Hello friends, this is my project of GSM based or SMS based home automation, or you can say home appliance control. Now first of all, this is the home appliance which will be controlled by the SMS feature. This home appliance is a 0 volt bulb which is working on 220 volt. This is the relay section which will switch on this bulb using the microcontroller. This is the microcontroller section which will receive the SMS and perform accordingly whether to switch on or switch off. Relay means to switch on the bulb or switch off the bulb. This is the GSM modem which will receive the SMS. Here the SIM card is inserted. This is SIM 900A modem. This is the power supply section which will provide the power to complete circuit, whether controller, relay, SMS section or the bulb. This is the phone from which will SMS. Now first of all, I'll give power to the complete system. Now you can see the bulb is off, but the SMS modem it start activating. When it is beeping fast, that means it is not activated. Now it is beep slow, that means it is activated. Now what we'll do is we'll put the phone here, see what we are going to SMS. Now there are special messages we have set, that you can say the password. As you can see, I have already used some password for switching on and off. These were used at earlier stage when I was testing, that was bulb on and bulb off. We'll copy the same message and send it, like bulb on, copy and send to the same number which is inserted in the same. So as you can see, the bulb is on now. When the SMS will be received by the system of bulb on, it will switch it on. And similarly, if we copy bulb off, and paste it, you can type also, but the format is very much clear that it is star, capitals in bulb, and space, then capital on and hash. So we'll send it, and when the SMS will be received, the bulb is off. That's all about my project. Thank you.